teenies. But have you ever wondered why popcorn pops? And how factories produce millions of bags every single day? Today, from vast corn farms stretching across hundreds of acres, the journey of popcorn begins long before it reaches store shelves. From the field to the factory, we're revolutionizing how premium popcorn reaches the market, driving growth every step of the way. Everything begins on specialized corn farms, but here's something many people don't know. Popcorn is not the same corn used for corn on the seas. This special corn has an extremely hard outer shell known as the pericarp. Without this tough shell, popcorn simply woodleys. Over the next several months, the corn receives water, nutrients, and protection from pests.
Tons of golden kernels arrive daily, beginning their journey through the state-of-the-art cleaning process.
In the clavicles, the kernels pass through large cleaning systems where vibrating screens separate unwanted materials.
As you can see, the moisture content is holding steady at 14.2%, well within the acceptable parameters for this batch.
Now comes the most fascinating part. Why does popcorn pop? Inside every kernel is a tiny amount of water trapped.
As the kernel heats above 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the trapped water turns into steam. The hard outer shell prevents the shivers. Then suddenly, the shell explodes. The starch rapidly expands and cools into the fluffy white popcorn. Inside these machines, temperatures are carefully controlled. Too low and the kernels won't pop. Too high and they burn. Plain popcorn is only the beginning. Today's consumers demand variety, from buttery classics and cheddar cheese flavors to onions. Fresh popcorn enters giant rotating seasoning drums. As the cylinders spin, computerized systems apply flavor stems. For caramel popcorn, hot syrup is cooked separately before coating every kernel. The popcorn then passes through cooling tunnels where As you can see on the screen, the latest batch meets our strict quality and flavor profiles. Packaging lines move at astonishing speeds. Automated machines form bags from large rolls of printed film, measure precise amounts. Machines measure bag weights down to fractions of an ounce, while metal detectors perform one final inspection. Maintaining freshness is one of the industry's greatest challenges. Once sealed, the bags are packed into cases and stacked by robotic palletizers. Forklifts move the finished products into distribution warehouses. Breaking down the costs, we see 10 cents for kernels, 5 for oil, 2 for energy, 3 for seasoning, and 15 cents per bag for packaging. While the cost of production remains low, the price consumers pay continues to skyrocket, driving unprecedented profits. Engines. This is where the popcorn business becomes incredibly profitable. A factory producing 100,000 bags per day can...
The real success isn't just making popcorn. It's building powerful brands, creating unique flavors. From carefully planted seeds in vast cornfields to advanced factories producing millions of bags,